All right, this is the tongue off my mobile home. I got two of them, and generally what they do is shove them up underneath your mobile home, and I didn't want them there, and this is never going to be moved, so I'm getting rid of them. And the only way I can handle them is to cut them up. And this one Dewalt blade made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts. And I'm going to see, towards the end, towards that last cut, it was really starting to slow down. So I went to our local hardware store here, and I bought some Irwin blades. And we'll see if I can cut this whole thing up with an Irwin blade. We'll compare them. Wow, I tell you what, that cut through way quicker than the Dewalt.
Uh-oh, are you fixing a badmouth Dewalt?
Well, I'm not gonna badmouth it, but that cut way faster. I mean, 2 or 3 times quicker than the brand new Dewalt blade. So I'm already impressed. Wow. All right, I'm gonna cut down straight down through the middle of this. I don't know if people want to watch the entire thing, but
all right, I'll just film this one. I think you're going to be throwing rocks at Dewalt blades.
I'm amazed.
Alright, we'll be back later.
Well, color me impressed. Same amount of cuts, about 1/3 the time. With a Dewalt blade, I used 2 batteries. And this blade, the last cut, it almost didn't make it through. So, I can almost see how many teeth per inch it is, almost. And with the Irwin blade, I can still cut with that. You see this tiny little area of blue? That's where it's starting to get wore out, but this down here is still good. And with this, there's a whole lot of blue there. I tell you what, I'm gonna go buy some more of these. That was that first cut. My God, it went through that thing like a hot knife through butter. I'm impressed. And sorry, Dewalt, I will not be buying any more Dewalt blades. And this was 10 something, 10 and a half bucks for 5 blades. That's not bad. Alrighty, thanks for watching, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can upload this. The Bev's Wi-Fi is on the other side of that RV shack, our RV cover there in our house. So I'm gonna go inside my new house and see if I can upload this from her Wi-Fi. If I can, I think we'll be able to squeak by without cable and internet for a while. This is a test video.
Okay, we brought our dog for the first time. This is her trial run.
This is Sunny's first time in our new house.
And I've already told her, see that room over there? You cannot go in that room over there. You see that room over there? Can't go in that room.
Can't go in that room. Can't go in that room.
This room right here.
Don't go in that room.
Can't go in that room over there.
You can't sit in here either.
No, you can sit in here. This is all moppable. This is all doable.
What a mess, huh?
Yeah.
They got a lot of work to do.
Okay, I'm going to say it for the first time.
What?
I love my new home.
Yeah, I'm feeling better and better about it.
Well, you're just mad. Okay, Texas doesn't like us.
Texas does not like us.
But they haven't threw rocks at us yet. So
right.
Until they start throwing rocks, we're here. We're just going to deal with it. Thank you, Jesus.
Well,
And she's looking out the window, looking over there.
yeah.
Yeah, she's settling in.
Settling in.
Yeah, she likes
Yeah,
her.
I recognize that house.
Yeah, I like my new home. I can see all kind of stuff from there.
All right, I'm going to do an impromptu hacksaw blade test comparison between Irwin and Dewalt. So what I'm really doing is see if I can upload on Bev's Wi-Fi from my house because it's going to be very tight until we sell our house, and we're probably going to skip cable and internet for until we get our house sold.
So what we're gonna do? We're just gonna steal Wi-Fi from Beverly.
Yeah. It's like them Starbucks people.
Yeah.
We're not going to buy anything. We're just going to steal their Wi-Fi.
Steal the Wi-Fi.